video, we are going to see a real-time deep learning-based socio-economic status estimation using statically data on Rajahmun AP, India. Introduction. Socio-economic status estimation is crucial for understanding and addressing disparities in a population. Deep learning techniques such as image recognition have shown promising results in various domains. This has sparked interest in estimating socio-economic status in real time using static data, particularly in Rajahmun, India. Objective of the project. The project aims to create a real-time deep learning-based socio-economic status estimation model for Rajahmun, Andhra Pradesh, India. Utilizing static data sources and deep learning, it aims to provide valuable insights into the city's socio-economic conditions, aiding evidence-based decision-making and promoting inclusive development. The AlexNet deep learning model will be compared to traditional machine learning algorithms like random forest support vector machine, KNN, naive Bayes, and decision trees. To execute this project, these are the requirements needed. The hardware requirements are operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4GB and above, hard disk of 20GB and above. Software requirements needed are Python IDEL of Python 3.7 version. To execute this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is Upload Economic Status Dataset. Using this module, we will upload Social Status Dataset to application. The second module is Pre-process Dataset and Extract Features. This dataset contains some non-numeric data, while deep learning and machine learning algorithms accept only numeric characters. So we need to pre-process dataset by replacing missing values and non-numeric values with integers. Later, the data is split into train and test sets in the ratio 80:20. The third module is Run AlexNet algorithm. Pre-processed trained data will be input to AlexNet to build prediction model, and this trained model can be applied on test set to calculate prediction accuracy. In the next modules, in the same way, we have trained all traditional machine learning algorithms. In the next module, all algorithms performance graph is compared. And in the last module, that is predict economic status from test data, in this module we will upload test data and then AlexNet will evaluate those test values to predict social status. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the dataset folder in which I have the socio-economic status dataset. In this model folder, I have pickle and .h5 files which contains the algorithm's information. These pickle and .h5 files can be loaded into the project code during runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks, such as making predictions on new data or performing specific operations. This is the Python main code file. This is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on run.bat file. This graphical user interface will be open. With this, we are interacting with the program. Now click on Upload Economic Status button. A dialog box will be opened. Select the dataset and click on Open. In this graph, we can see the count of upper middle class, poor, rich and lower middle class populations in Rajahmun. Close this tab. And it has confirmed that the dataset is loaded, and we can see the top 5 rows of the dataset. We can see that there are categorical variables in the data. So there is need for pre-processing. Now click on Pre-process Dataset and Extract Features. We can see that the categorical features are now transformed into integers, and previously we had 1742 records, and after splitting the data into train and test, Now the train set includes 1393 records and test set includes 349 records. Now click on Run AlexNet algorithm. A confusion matrix graph has been opened. We can see there are 160 true positives and 58 true negatives. And the AlexNet accuracy is 99.1%, AlexNet precision is 98.9%, AlexNet recall is 99.5%, AlexNet F measure is 99.2%. Now click on Run Random Forest Algorithm. The confusion matrix for random forest algorithm. We can see 158 true positive and 66 true negatives. The accuracy of random forest is 94%, the precision is 95, recall is 94 and F measure is 94.9%. Now click on Run KNN algorithm. We can see there are 156 true positive records and 66 true negative records, and there are few misclassifications. The accuracy here is 93.6%, precision is 95, recall is 92.5, F measure is 93.5. Now click on Run SVM algorithm. We can see there are 140 true positives and 66 true negatives, and there are few misclassifications. The accuracy here is 89.3, precision is 90.3, recall is 88.3 and F measure for SVM is 88.2. Now click on Run naive Bayes algorithm. We can see there are 144 true positive and 66 true negatives. And the accuracy of naive Bayes is 81. Now click on Run decision tree algorithm. There are 160 true positives and 63 true negatives. The accuracy of decision tree is 92.8. Now click on All Algorithms Performance Graph. We can see that the performance of AlexNet is good. As we can see, the accuracy F1 score, precision and recall are high for AlexNet. And after AlexNet, we can see random forest is performing well. Now click on Predict Economic Status from Test Data. A dialog box will be opened. Select the test data and click on Open. We can see for these independent variables, it has predicted rich. And for these independent variables, it has predicted the social status as middle class. Now click on Exit to close this tab. The conclusion here is this project uses AlexNet deep learning model to predict socio-economic status of people. A dataset from Rajahmun API India is trained using AlexNet model, which then predicts test data and calculates prediction accuracy, precision, recall, F-score and confusion metrics. Compared to traditional machine learning algorithms like random forest, support vector machines, KNN, naive Bayes and decision trees, AlexNet offers better performance. This approach helps identify socio-economic inequalities and improves the overall efficiency of social and economic status.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.